Okay, so what she looks like. This is what she looks like with the pan off. Okay, these are the main bearings under here. Well, let's see the main bearings here, 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 and here, behind here. Now I've zoomed in too tight. All right, I can't run a camera. And then under there, there's another main bearing. Okay, right here, these are where your pistons hook on. These are the connecting rods here and here. There's two of them there. There's two down in there. There's two right here. There's two right here. When I go to take it apart later today, I'll start with these top two because they're obviously the easiest to get at. I'll do them first. Probably get this fella here because I can get a socket on him. I probably do him, and of course I can get this one and maybe this one, which means that there's probably two that I probably can't get to real easily. And for those, I will then, darn hands are dirty. For those ones, at that point, once I get like say 5 or 6 of the pistons out, I should in theory be able to then roll the motor around and get to the other ones. Then we'll get the crankshaft out. This goofy looking thing looks like some kind of freaking ugly alien head. This is the pickup for the oil pump. That's the oil pump right here. It runs off of a gear. Runs off the cam. Well, normally it does in a Chevy and a Ford. Honestly, I don't know. I guess this will be a treat for us. We'll get to look at it later. Ooh. Does a Chrysler run off the crank or does it run off the cam? Jay Groom's going to learn something new every day. That's awesome. Cool. Just for fun, these guys here, these big heavy weights of a thing, we'll get them out and look at it later today, the crankshaft. These big heavy weights are for when the engine pushes hard and as it's forcing down, there's going to be a little extra vibration. Those are called counterweights. It keeps this motor from shaking itself to bits. And while we're going on, while it's upside down, this is the fuel pump here. This is where the oil filter would go. This thing on the front is, right here, is the water pump. Okay, again, the engine's upside down right now. So we'll continue working on it today, and we'll give you updates as we go. Okay, so there's the front of the motor. This is the camshaft up here. There's a crank down here. Connected with this timing chain. That one's almost brand new. As I say, there's not a whole lot of wear on this engine. And remember, we talked about how this guy, the cam, spins half as fast as the crank. That is why it does this, because the crank sprocket is half as big as the cam sprocket. That's how come it'll turn that fast.
That's all, folks.